What if I told you that the next big camera from Sony might completely change what we expect from high-resolution photography and hybrid shooting? Not just a small upgrade, not just a simple refresh, but a full shift in how a professional mirrorless camera is designed and used. Right now, the Sony A7R V is still one of the most powerful, detail-focused cameras in the world. It is trusted by landscape photographers, studio professionals, and anyone who needs extreme resolution. But in 2026, the rumor mill is heating up fast, and all eyes are now on its possible successor, the Sony A7R6. And if even half of these leaks turn out to be true, then we are looking at one of the biggest jumps in Sony's history. The most exciting part of these rumors is not just a small boost in megapixels. It is the idea that Sony might completely redesign the core of the A7R line. For years, the A7R series has stayed around the 60 megapixel range. That has been more than enough for most professional work. But now, we are hearing about two possible directions Sony could take. Both of them are extreme in their own way. One version of the A7R6 is rumored to feature a 67 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. The other, more shocking rumor suggests a massive 102 megapixel full-frame sensor. And both options would push the limits of what a mirrorless camera can realistically handle. Let's start with the 67 megapixel stacked sensor idea, because this is where things start to get really interesting. Stacked sensor is not just about image quality, it is about speed. In a stacked design, memory is placed directly on the sensor itself, which allows data to move much faster than traditional sensors. This means readout speeds improve massively. That solves one of the biggest problems in high-resolution cameras, which is rolling shutter. In fast motion or video, rolling shutter can distort images and make footage look unnatural. But with a stacked design, that issue can be reduced so much that it almost disappears in real-world use. Now imagine combining that kind of speed with 67 megapixels of resolution. You are no longer talking about a slow, detail-focused camera that struggles with action. You are talking about something much closer to a hybrid flagship, a camera that can handle higher resolution photography and still keep up with fast subjects. Rumors suggest that Sony could push this even further with extremely fast continuous shooting, possibly reaching up to 30 frames per second in high-quality raw capture. If that becomes reality, it would bring the A7R line dangerously close to the performance level of Sony's speed-focused flagship cameras, while still keeping its extreme detail advantage. But then there is the second rumor, and this one is on a completely different level: 102 megapixel full-frame sensor. This would not just be an upgrade, it would be a statement. It would push the A7R6 into territory that competes with medium-format cameras, but in a much smaller and more portable body. For landscape photographers, architectural shooters, and commercial studios, this kind of resolution would be almost unbelievable. The level of detail would allow extreme cropping, massive prints, and a level of flexibility in post-production that most cameras cannot match. However, this level of resolution also brings challenges. At 102 megapixels, everything becomes more demanding. Your lenses need to resolve more detail. Your storage fills up faster. Your workflow becomes heavier. Even the smallest camera shake becomes more noticeable. And there is also the issue of diffraction, which can soften images when using smaller apertures. So while the idea sounds incredible on paper, it also raises real questions about how practical it would be for everyday professional use. This is where Sony's decision becomes very important. If they choose the 67 megapixel stacked route, they are prioritizing balance. They are building a camera that is fast, powerful, and still practical for real-world hybrid shooting. And if they go with the 102 megapixel sensor, they are making a bold move toward extreme resolution dominance, even if it comes with trade-offs in speed and workflow. Either way, the A7R6 is shaping up to be far more than just a simple upgrade. And what makes all of this even more interesting is that sensor. Technology in 2026 is not the same as it was a few years ago. We are now seeing faster readout designs, smarter processing, and better heat management systems being developed at the same time. That means Sony finally has the tools to push resolution and speed together in a way that was not possible before. The A7R6 is rumored to take full advantage of this new generation of sensor engineering. If the stacked sensor version becomes reality, we could also see something even more surprising: a dramatic reduction in electronic shutter limitations. Traditionally, high-resolution cameras struggle when using electronic shutters under fast motion or artificial lighting. But with faster sensor readout, those problems become much less noticeable. That opens the door for completely silent shooting without the usual compromises. For event photographers, wildlife shooters, and studio professionals, that alone would be a huge upgrade. At the same time, this sensor evolution also lays the foundation for much more advanced image processing, because once the sensor can deliver data faster and cleaner, the processor can focus more on refining image quality instead of compensating for weaknesses. This is where Sony's next-generation processing engine is expected to come in. Rumored to handle noise reduction more intelligently, improve dynamic range in real time, enhance color accuracy in a way that feels more natural and less artificial. So when we step back and look at these sensor rumors as a whole, one thing becomes very clear. The Sony A7R6 is not just about more megapixels. It is about redefining what a high-resolution camera can actually do in terms of speed, flexibility, and real-world performance. Whether it lands at 67 megapixels with stacked speed or pushes all, the way to 102 megapixels for extreme detail. This camera is shaping up to be one of the most talked about releases in the entire photography world, and we are still only scratching the surface of what this camera could become.